the American green card, a symbol of hope, a ticket to opportunity. It signifies the promise of a better life. Many believe it's a golden ticket, a guarantee of permanent residency in the United States. But this belief is a misconception, a dangerous illusion. Holding a green card does not make one impervious to the complexities of immigration law. It does not erase the possibility of deportation. The truth is, green card holders, while granted lawful permanent resident status, are not exempt from the risk of deportation. Their status can be revoked. They can be sent back to their home countries. This is not a rare occurrence. Thousands of green card holders face deportation proceedings each year. The reasons they vary, but they all carry life-altering consequences. The misconception of the green card's invincibility is widespread. New immigrants full of hope and ambition often misunderstand the terms and conditions attached to their status. They are unaware of the precarious nature of their residency. This lack of awareness can be their downfall. It's crucial to understand the reality. A green card is a privilege, not a right. And like all privileges, it can be revoked. The reasons for such drastic action are numerous and often misunderstood. So yes, green card holders can be deported. This fact often comes as a shock, a harsh dose of reality, but it's a truth that needs to be acknowledged. The path to American residency is paved with complexities. The journey, once embarked upon, requires constant vigilance, a deep understanding of the law, and a healthy dose of caution. The reasons behind green card revocation and subsequent deportation are numerous. They range from relatively minor infractions to serious criminal convictions. Let's break down the most common grounds for deportation. First and foremost, criminal convictions are a major red flag. Engaging in criminal activity can jeopardize a green card holder's status, even if the crime seems minor. Crimes classified as aggravated felonies are particularly serious. These include murder, rape, drug trafficking, and certain types of fraud. Conviction for such crimes often leads to automatic deportation, but it's not just serious felonies that can get you deported. Even misdemeanors, especially those involving violence, theft, or drug possession, can have severe consequences. The severity of the crime often dictates the likelihood of deportation. Then comes the issue of fraud and misrepresentation. Honesty is paramount in all immigration matters. Any form of deception, be it lying on your application or providing false documents, can be grounds for deportation. This includes marriage fraud, a serious offense where individuals enter into sham marriages solely for immigration benefits. The consequences of such actions are severe, often leading to permanent inadmissibility to the United States. Another common reason for deportation is the abandonment of green card status. This occurs when a green card holder demonstrates an intent to relinquish their permanent resident status. Spending prolonged periods outside the United States, failing to file U.S. taxes, or lacking ties to the country can all be interpreted as abandonment. Maintaining strong ties to the United States is key to preserving your green card status. In recent years, the landscape of immigration enforcement has undergone a dramatic shift. The U.S. government, under recent administrations, has adopted a stricter stance on immigration, leading to increased scrutiny of green card holders. This heightened scrutiny manifests in various ways, creating an atmosphere of uncertainty and anxiety among immigrant communities. One of the most notable changes is the increased enforcement of immigration laws. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, IC, has been granted broader authority, conducting more raids, workplace inspections, and traffic stops. This increased enforcement has resulted in a surge in arrests and detentions, even for minor immigration violations. The message is clear. No one is above the law, and even minor infractions can have serious consequences. The process of obtaining and renewing green cards has also become more rigorous. Applications are subject to greater scrutiny, with background checks becoming more extensive and interviews more probing. The burden of proof rests on the applicant to demonstrate their eligibility and to dispel any doubts about their intentions. This heightened scrutiny can be daunting, but it underscores the importance of meticulous documentation and honest representation. This climate of increased scrutiny has created a palpable sense of fear within immigrant communities. The fear of being separated from loved ones, of losing their hard-earned livelihoods, of being uprooted from the lives they've built. It's a heavy burden to bear. The uncertainty surrounding immigration policies adds another layer of complexity, making it difficult for green card holders to plan for the future with any sense of security. Navigating the complexities of immigration law is a daunting task, one best undertaken with the guidance of an experienced professional. Legal counsel is paramount for anyone facing the threat of deportation or navigating the intricacies of green card renewal. A skilled immigration attorney can be your advocate, your guide, and your voice of reason in a system that often feels overwhelming. Why is legal counsel so crucial? Because immigration law is incredibly complex. The nuances of the law, the ever-changing regulations, the specific requirements for each case, it's a lot to grasp for someone without legal expertise. A qualified immigration attorney can help you understand your rights, navigate the legal system, and build a strong defense against deportation. A lawyer's role goes beyond simply explaining the law. They can help gather evidence, prepare documents, and represent you in immigration court. They can negotiate with immigration authorities on your behalf and explore all possible legal avenues to protect your status. In essence, they serve as your shield and your sword, fighting to safeguard your rights and your future in the United States. Don't underestimate the importance of seeking legal counsel early on. The sooner you involve an attorney, the better equipped you'll be to handle the situation. They can advise you on the best course of action, prevent you from making mistakes that could jeopardize your case, and ultimately increase your chances of a successful outcome. Remember, in the realm of immigration law, knowledge is power, and having a skilled attorney by your side can make all the difference. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updates